A 5-year-old died in Rocky Point, Clarendon Sunday evening. The child reportedly drowned while playing at home. We have the details in this report.
Police back at the investigation scene in Rocky Point. They're probing the death of a 5-year-old Rakima Williams who took her last breath right here. It is reported the child drowned in the grey still water in the manhole sometime after 6 Sunday evening. The child reportedly fell into the manhole seemingly while playing with this football. When we visited the family Monday, they stared aimlessly, hands on cheek, their grief heavy and real. Grief only matched by the panic Sunday evening when the child could not be found. Her mother, during the frantic search, noticed a stone which had been used to block the manhole opening had been moved. When she looked inside, she saw her daughter's body. The child could not be resuscitated and was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead.
Rock is everybody person. Everybody, if you don't laugh a morning, why you see Rock come, you have to laugh. You might tell us something. She make you laugh. I love me baby dearly to my heart. I don't know what go wrong, but me ask the nation worldwide. She helped me. She helped me. She breaking that angel for over my family. Me ask you now, every sinner, every Christian, that's all me ask you now. Turn up in a gap for me.
By Monday, news of the tragedy had spread to her school, and so too did the grief.
Well, it's very gloomy as one can expect. We're just trying to hold up and to encourage each other. For the children, every now and then, somebody will start just from nowhere, just start talking about her.
Any other Monday, Rakima would occupy her desk and chair. Today, only letters and art pieces from her friends sit in her place. She's gone, and they wish it was not so.
Rakima is a promising student, and she likes to talk about her father. She enjoys hands-on activities, so she will participate, and she's very helpful. She will always ask if you need any help, any assistance to help to pack away. Sometimes not only for my class, but sometimes she will go over even to class 2 to help the teacher to organize their stuff.
The Clarendon police are investigating. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.